Hi, my name is Tara Hartman, and I'm going to be your instructor for SNU 107 for the next 8 weeks. Let's take a look at what needs to happen. So whenever you first open up Brightspace, you will notice that there are going to be 3 announcements, and it's just going to show you the first part of the 3 announcements. This is going to be the first thing that you see. What I would encourage you all to do is to scroll down and click View All Announcements. By doing this, it will allow you to see the entire announcement rather than just the first couple of lines of them. Throughout the term, I will be putting up multiple announcements each week, so it's going to be important for you to make sure that you're getting all the information. Now, if you want to know that an announcement has come, you can sign up for notifications. What you're going to do is on your home page, up in the right-hand corner, you're going to see your name. So click on your name and go down to notifications. From there, you can sign up for emails for whenever a grade is assigned to one of your assignments, whenever a new announcement is posted, whenever somebody replies to your discussion board post. You can also put your phone number in there so you can receive a text message when any of these things happen. So that's another great spot for you to go. All right, so now that you've done those 2 things, I would like for you to go to the course menu, which is up on the left-hand side, and go to Learning Modules. From there, click Start Here, and you will see a list of several items, like the syllabus and the handbook, that you can go through and just review. Once you have reviewed them, you'll see a check mark. And so you'll know that it has been accomplished. It's great. What I love about Brightspace is that it shows you the progress that you have made through each module. So once you've made it through the Start Here, you'll want to go to Module 1. And same thing. It will take you from one item to another item to another item. So for Module 1, you're going to have a discussion board. You can access it through the learning modules, or you can go back up to course menu and click on the discussion board there. So that's going to be one of the assignments. The other one is a Smarter Measure assessment, and this is going to look at your learning style and how prepared you are for college. It's just kind of a great way to introduce yourself to school. And then the last thing is going to be a quiz that covers the syllabus and the handbook, and this can be done as many times as you want. So you can always start this course out with a 100%. The last thing that I want to bring up in this video is how important it is for you to get your book as soon as possible. You will see the information on getting your book in the Start Here area. If you have any questions, feel free to email me, but you will start using your book and the outside learning resource that comes with it in Module 2. I will say it is impossible to pass this course if you do not access the book and the learning resource that goes with it. So make that one of your priorities this week. I know it can be a little overwhelming, but this first week is us getting to know each other and us becoming familiar with Brightspace. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me. I always work to get back with those students within 24 hours. There's also the general discussion board that you can post questions in there. So I'm excited to get this term started. I hope everybody is ready to go.